From delivering newspapers to becoming one of the world's richest and most influential investors, Warren Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of patience, wisdom, and long-term thinking. This is the story of how a young boy with a keen interest in numbers turned into the Oracle of Omaha, transforming the world of investing and inspiring millions. Warren Buffett was born on August 30th, 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. From a young age, Buffett exhibited a remarkable aptitude for business and investing. At just 6 years old, he bought 6 packs of Coca-Cola from his grandfather's grocery store for 25 cents and sold each bottle for a nickel, making a small profit. This early experience sparked his lifelong interest in making money. By the time he was 11, Buffett made his first investment, purchasing 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred at $38 per share. Despite seeing the stock fall to $27, he held on until it rebounded to $40, selling for a modest profit. However, he learned a valuable lesson when the stock soared to $200 shortly after he sold it. This taught him the importance of patience and long-term thinking in investing. Buffett's teenage years were filled with entrepreneurial ventures. He delivered newspapers, sold magazines door to door, and even bought a pinball machine business. By the time he graduated high school, he had accumulated substantial savings. Buffett enrolled at the University of Nebraska, working full-time while completing his degree in just 3 years. He then pursued a master's degree in economics at Columbia University, where he studied under Benjamin Graham, a renowned investor and the author of The Intelligent Investor. Graham's principles of value investing deeply influenced Buffett and became the foundation of his investment philosophy. After finishing his education, Buffett returned to Omaha and worked at his father's brokerage firm. In 1954, he moved to New York to work for Benjamin Graham's partnership. Under Graham's mentorship, Buffett honed his skills in identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. When Graham retired, Buffett returned to Omaha and started his own investment partnership in 1956 with $105,000 from family and friends. Buffett's partnership was highly successful, generating impressive returns year after year. By 1962, he had become a millionaire and began acquiring shares in a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Despite its initial challenges, Buffett saw potential in the company and used it as a vehicle to invest in other businesses. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway transformed from a textile manufacturer into a diversified conglomerate. He invested in a wide range of industries, including insurance, utilities, railroads, and consumer goods. Some of his most notable acquisitions include GEICO, Dairy Queen, BNSF Railway, and Duracell. Buffett's investment strategy focused on buying high-quality companies at reasonable prices and holding them for the long term. He looked for businesses with strong management, competitive advantages, and the potential for consistent growth. This approach, combined with his deep understanding of market dynamics and unwavering discipline, allowed him to achieve extraordinary success. One of Buffett's most famous investments was in the Coca-Cola Company. In 1988, he began purchasing shares, eventually acquiring a significant stake. His belief in the company's strong brand, global presence, and consistent earnings made it a cornerstone of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Today, Coca-Cola remains one of Berkshire's largest holdings, reflecting Buffett's long-term investment philosophy. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his frugality and simple lifestyle. He still lives in the modest house in Omaha that he purchased in 1958 for $31,500. His humility and down-to-earth nature have endeared him to many, making him a role model for aspiring investors and business leaders. Buffett's success is not just measured by his financial achievements, but also by his commitment to philanthropy. In 2006, he pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to charitable causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This act of generosity has inspired others in the business community to follow suit, leading to the creation of the Giving Pledge, an initiative encouraging billionaires to donate at least half of their wealth to charitable endeavors. Buffett's wisdom extends beyond investing and philanthropy. His annual letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders are highly anticipated and widely read for their insights into business, economics, and life. He emphasizes the importance of integrity, patience, and continuous learning, often quoting his favorite maxim, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." Throughout his career, Buffett has faced numerous market cycles, economic downturns, and financial crises. Yet, his unwavering belief in the resilience of the American economy and his disciplined approach to investing have enabled him to navigate these challenges successfully. His famous saying, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful," highlights his contrarian mindset and ability to capitalize on market opportunities. One of Buffett's defining moments came during the 2008 financial crisis. While many investors were panicking and selling off assets, Buffett saw an opportunity. He made several high-profile investments, including significant stakes in Goldman Sachs and General Electric. These moves were initially criticized, but later proved to be highly profitable, reinforcing Buffett's reputation as a shrewd and courageous investor. Buffett's ability to remain calm and rational in times of market turmoil is one of his greatest strengths. He often advises investors to think long-term and not be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. His philosophy is to invest in businesses, not just stocks, and to understand the underlying value of what you're buying. Another cornerstone of Buffett's success is his partnership with Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Munger, a brilliant investor and thinker in his own right, has been a trusted advisor and friend to Buffett for decades. Their complementary skills and shared values have been instrumental in shaping Berkshire Hathaway's investment strategy and corporate culture. Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholders' meetings, often referred to as Woodstock for capitalists, attract thousands of investors from around the world. These meetings are an opportunity for shareholders to hear directly from Buffett and Munger, ask questions, and gain insights into their investment philosophies and views on the economy. Buffett's influence extends beyond the world of investing. He is a vocal advocate for ethical business practices, corporate responsibility, and financial literacy. He believes that businesses should be run for the benefit of their shareholders, employees, customers, and society at large. His principles of honesty, transparency, and long-term thinking are values that resonate with people across all walks of life. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy with a paper route to one of the wealthiest and most respected investors in the world is a story of vision, discipline, and perseverance. His life and career offer valuable lessons for anyone aspiring to achieve success, not just in investing, but in any field. He has shown that with patience, integrity, and a long-term perspective, it is possible to create lasting value and make a meaningful impact on the world. As we look at Warren Buffett's legacy, we see more than just financial success. We see a man who has remained true to his principles, who has used his wealth to make a positive difference, and who has inspired countless others to pursue their own dreams with wisdom and integrity. His story is a powerful reminder that success is not just about accumulating wealth, but about using it wisely and responsibly to improve the lives of others. From his humble beginnings in Omaha to his position as one of the most influential figures in the world of finance, Warren Buffett's story is an enduring example of what can be achieved through hard work, smart investing, and unwavering commitment to one's values. His life continues to inspire and teach, reminding us that true success comes from making a positive impact on the world and leaving a legacy that endures beyond one's lifetime.